Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can download Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 on your PC. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. First of all, you are going to be simply heading over to your browser of your choice, and there you are going to be typing Steam. So simply type in here Steam, and you can see at the very first place we have this option of welcome to Steam. Click on that and you will be able to see an interface is opened up. So Steam is basically a platform where a lot of games are available. Some games are free and some games will cost you some money to play. Similarly, you have a lot of bundles for games and a lot of online experience, so make sure to try it out. So also you can see we have the search field on Steam where we are going to be simply typing Car Mechanic Simulator 2021, and we are going to be simply pressing on search bar, and you will be able to see that Car Simulator 2021 is available on the very first place. Simply click on that, and here you will be able to see that we have this demo version which is going to be completely for free, so you can simply download the demo version and play and see if the game works for you and if you are liking the environment. And once you are completely satisfied with that, you can simply buy Car Mechanics 2021, the paid version. Simply press on add to cart and download the game, and just wait for a couple of moments until it downloads and installs. And once it does, you will have your game installed and ready to go. So that is going to be a pretty simple process. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.